Good morning, my name is Laura Valentina Castro Mendez. Today I am going to talk to you about the activity that we can do with the different times dark, inside, sunny, rain, with and others. And we can see on it is a very sunny day in which we are pretty grace. The activity that can be done on this day can be going to the beach, take out our pet to the parks and playing with him. We can dry our clothes and other things. On the two On the 2 in the morning there was a great resolana of tiny 6 degrees in which we can stage un yuanchu of this time to go cycling with colleagues or family, go to the supermarket, go to lunches and other things. In the afternoon it started to rain with a temperature of 31 degrees well after having done the shopping and everything else on goes home. On day 3, as we can see, it is a very rainy day with a temperature of 30 degrees. Many children take one two of Greece of that rain to play soccer, to run too many things. Day 4, on day 4 it is very windy at 62 the 74 kilometers per hour, in which it is set to fly calm. It is a very spectacular day to spend the family. On day 5, it rains very hard with a temperature of 31 of degrees, in which we can carry out the following activity at home, such as watching a movie, reading a book, having a half-cooked. Well, this is a description during the 5 days. Thank you very much for your attention.